Welcome back to the Plant-Based Living 101 channel. Today, we have an exciting recipe to share with you. We will reveal the secret to making the most important vegan cooking ingredient, deodorized coconut oil. But first, let's talk about why every vegan should know how to deodorize coconut oil. Deodorized coconut oil is an essential ingredient for making vegan substitutes like butter and cheese. These ingredients can replace dairy butter, ghee, and cheese in hundreds of recipes. While refined, bleached, and deodorized coconut oil is available in the market, it is not the best choice for your health. That's why it's important to learn how to deodorize coconut oil yourself. Deodorized coconut oil can enhance plant-based cooking in several ways. Coconut oil adds a rich, creamy flavor to plant-based dishes such as curries, stews, and stir-fries. Coconut oil helps to retain moisture in plant-based ingredients, keeping them tender and flavorful. Deodorized coconut oil is a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of plant-based dishes, from savory curries to sweet baked goods. Ingredients required: granulated activated charcoal, cold-pressed coconut oil. The secret ingredient to deodorize coconut oil is granulated activated charcoal. It is commonly used in domestic water purifiers, aquarium media, air purification, and commercial RO plants. Remember not to buy activated charcoal powder for this process. When it comes to choosing the coconut oil, opt for cold-pressed oil for its health benefits. Avoid using coconut hair oils as they are often perfumed and not suitable for cooking. Equipment required: measuring cups, stainless steel fine mesh strainer. Instructions: rinse the activated charcoal granules at least 10 times until the water clears. Pour the rinsed water into a glass mug to check if the carbon dust is thoroughly washed away. Once the charcoal is thoroughly washed, place it on a plate, cover it with a cloth, and let it sun dry. Alternatively, you can dry the charcoal on a tawa set on low flame. Take 1 cup of activated charcoal in a steel container and add 2 cups of cold-pressed coconut oil to it. Close the container and set it aside for 3 to 4 days. After 3 days, filter the coconut oil using the fine mesh strainer. And voila! You now have your homemade deodorized coconut oil. Please note, never dry the charcoal in a microwave oven, as it can potentially cause sparks, fires, or damage to your microwave. Now that you have your deodorized coconut oil ready, let's talk about how you can incorporate it into your plant-based cooking. Pro tips for incorporating deodorized coconut oil into plant-based cooking. Use it as a cooking oil for sautéing, roasting, or grilling. Add it to soups, stews, or curries for added richness and flavor. Use it as a finishing oil to add a touch of flavor and moisture to dishes. Deodorized coconut oil can be an excellent substitute for ghee in biryani preparation, offering a neutral flavor and high smoke point. Additionally, it can enhance plant-based cooking by adding richness, moisture, and flavor to various dishes. Thank you for joining us today on the Plant-Based Living 101 channel. We hope you found this recipe and information helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for our future videos. Happy cooking!